Hello. So today we will learn about conditional formatting in Excel. So here are firstly, conditional formatting is something that we can format our cells based on some given condition. So here is an exercise that I have prepared that we will work on today. And so from where does conditional formatting apply? So here is the cell as you see. Here is the tab where in the styles you can see in the home tab is conditional formatting. Here are various predefined rules that are available that we can use to uh, format our cells work on the given conditions. Also, we can create our own rules, but that is an advance. We will see it later. So firstly, let's start with the exercise. So as you can see, here is the first cell question which says condition all the dates which are greater than the given date in cell J2. So here is the given date J2. So we want to condition all our cells which are greater than this date so that so what we can do is we can just select the cells that we want to format, right? And we will go to conditional formatting and we will select highlight cell rules with greater than. So as you will select here a pop-up appears. Here the date we need to input. So we will input the date. We will for date we will take this cell as a reference and we will apply let's say yellow with dark yellow text. And as you can see, I will click OK. So as you can see, all the dates that are greater than the given date in J2, right? That J2 date, you can see the J2 date is here. So it is greater than 12 January 2012. So from 13 January, all the cells are colored in different condition as that we provided. The next question says format the order ID with duplicate value. So here we want to in order ID we want to find out all the duplicate values. So identifying that manually will be very difficult. So we will use conditional formatting here. So we will go to condition selecting the column. We will go to conditional formatting. We will go to highlight cell rules and we will use this available option here duplicate values and we will make it as dark red so that we can identify clearly that these are the values that are duplicate like triple one. So I think only one value is there that is duplicating, so we can see that there, right? Now, what is the next question? Give the temperature scale to profit and loss column. So here is the profit loss column that we have. Now, what is temperature scale? Let's see. So temperature scale is basically this scale like this. So when I will provide this, it will based on the condition, it will give the colors, right? So these are the colors. The more will be the profit, the it will become more greener, and the lesser is the profit, it will become more red. So by this predefined condition, it is giving here applying to this column. So suppose we want to change the condition like suppose we give the condition and we want to change it, right? So here are different color schemes. Like first is reverse order, as it specifies here that apply color gradient to range of cells where color indicate each cell values. Like it is in reverse order. The more smaller the value, it is more greener. Here it is reverse. Like this, all different conditions are available in predefined state. Suppose I want to change or delete the condition, then what I do, I go to manage rules and here we get the condition that is applied to the current selection. So we can change from here our range, our format also we can change like color scale, right? Whatever color scale we want to keep, we can keep it. For now, I will keep the same, right? So this way we can change also. Let's see. The fourth condition says we want to apply icon set to net sales where the value is greater than are with green arrows. So firstly let's apply and then we will go for these conditions. So let's go for net sales. We will select all the values and we will go with conditional formatting. Here you can see we have a icon set option available and we want this icon set, right, with three values, three arrows, green, yellow and red, and I will click apply. So as you can see based on some condition, predefined condition that Excel has. It has assigned the values, the colors, coloring arrows to different net cells, right? Now we want to change this condition. So how we can do that? So as I said a moment ago, we have to go to manage rules. So I have selected the cells, right? I will go to manage rules, and as I can see here, I can edit rule. So as I will click on edit rule, basically what it does is it has a predefined rule that based on some percentage, top 67 means values will be uh, in green color, other than that will be yellow and red, so on. So we need to change it based on our condition with numbers less greater than 8,000. So we will change here from percentage to number. We will make this value as 8,000. Here also we will change it to number. Here we will enter the value as 5,000, because what it does is it basically is greater than 5,000, right? It is greater than equal to 8,000, right? So if greater than 8,000, it will go to green. If greater than 5,000, it will go to yellow, and if less than 5,000, it will go to green, right? So we will click OK and apply and click OK. So now as you can see, all the values that are less than 5,000 are with red color arrows, right? Okay, between 5,000 and 8,000 are yellow color arrows, and greater than 8,000 are green color arrows. So in this way, conditional formatting can be very useful. So you can explore more on yourself. It is a very useful tool available in Excel. Also, one of the good tools is, let's explore it, is data bar. So data bar is what is it? It is a bar will appear and we can identify how large the number is. Suppose I apply to the number of customers. Let's see. So as you can see, the maximum value here will have the longest bar, and the minimum value, the smallest value, will have the smallest bar. So here we can identify like which of the row has highest value, which has the smallest value based on the graph, instead of just identifying with numbers. So this was it. I hope you were able to understand. Thank you.